It is the end of November, so it's high time I thought of Christmas and New Year decorations. I decided to start with something really simple, but something that I've never done before. As I try to practice reasonable consumption, I'm going to use natural materials. In my garden, rowan berries has been already eaten by birds, so I can take just several miserable bunches. But I can also add chokeberry, it looks nice as well. Besides, I need fir cones, juniper, and fir branches. The most important element is deciduous tree twigs. I'm taking several from apple and pear trees. I pruned the trees in September, but haven't burned all the branches and twigs yet. And yes, I bought an orange and an apple in advance and dried them. So everything is ready. Are you curious to see the result?